dear students. Welcome to Guru Vrunda Teachers Team. Like, share, and also if you are the new students for our channel, subscribe and support to Guru Vrunda Team. Already have uploaded the history topic, 2 chapters, and also geography, the first chapter. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic, that is a new topic for the 8th standard students, that is political science. Commonly the political science is called as civics. Now the new name is given as a political science because it is complete related about politics. Let us start, children, the new topic, the political science, meaning and importance of a political science. In this chapter you are going to learn what is the meaning of a political science. So who are the one who founder of this political science? With the help of a political science, what you can learn. So what is a new topic? It will go to your brain also. We will learn today. Let us start, children. Political science is one of the social science dealing with the political activities of man. What is the definition of a political science? Political science is one of the social science dealing with the political activities of a man. What political science says, children? It says about the political activity of man. You should think, when we learn about a history, it is one of the part of a social science. Even political science also is one of the part of the social science. When you are learning history, you will learn about the past life. So history kalivaga now hindina means civilized people, how they were, the king how he was, everything we will learn with the help of a history. The same way when it comes to geography, you know that how is the earth. So, for example, if you take India map, so what is the geographical features of our India? These are all the things you will learn in the geography. The same way, sociology, business studies, a different part is there in the social. The same way here, the political science also is one of the part of a social science. In this, what you are going to learn in the political science? You are going to learn the political activity of a man. What are you going to learn, children? Political activity of a man. It deals with the state and government. Very important. What you will understand? Political activity of man is ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. You will going to learn about the state and government. If, for example, a country, for example, the state, and also you are going to learn what the government. So government, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಆ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಸರ್ಕಾರ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ. These are all the things you are going to learn with the help of a political science. It studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institution. So you are going to learn about the states and how the states has formed in the political way, that you are going to learn with the help of a political science. The study of the state is the main subject matter of political science. The study of the state is the main. Which is the main object? What you are going to learn in the political science? You are going to learn about the study of the particular state is the main object, you are going to main subject in the political science. I hope you understood. You are getting my point, children. Political science is one of the social science which deals with the political activity of man. What is the political activity here? So it is going to, you are going to learn about the state as well as the government. How the state is there, how the government is there. Totally the political science says a subject about the state and the government. As a subject of a study of the political science, began with the Greeks. So how the subject, the study of political science was started? So it has begun with the Greeks. So Greeks are the one who has given the final picturization for the political science. Though Egyptians, Babylonians, Persians, Indians and the Chinese have mentioned their ideas or thoughts about the political, but much earlier, to Greeks, they have failed to develop it as a systematic study. For example, children, I can say you that. So we have tried our best. See, so Indians have many knowledge about all the topics. You can see history, political science, anything if you take. So Indians have more knowledge. So ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. The noodles if you take. ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಿಶಾವ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅವರು noodles ಅಂತಾರೆ. For example, if you say some of the snacks, what we speak about the snacks, first has introduced by us. Spices or everything, no, it is introduced by us. Taking that product, they used to make as a final touch-up they'll give. This is produced by this country, that country. No, the same way here, the Indians already they have tried, but it has not become a success for them. But the Greek has means you have to understand one word, systematic study. Systematic study. We politics ಅನ್ನೋದು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. It is a long year. You have learned ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರಾಜ್ or as ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Means you have to think that political science is not from today in India. We are there from the past many years ago only. Indians are there in the politics, but it was not highlighted. So here you can understand this one. Many countries, even including Indians, have much more. They have more in the politics, but the way of systematic study, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ systematic study was not there for the political science. Politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. Greek philosophers like Socrates and his disciple Plato were the great political thinkers. So you have to think that in the Greek, the Socrates was one of the great political thinker. He and his disciple, one who is follower, the Plato, they are the one he is given the main picturization, main form for the political science. Plato in his famous book Republic for the first time discussed the nature and the function of the state and the government. So you have to understand, children, which is a book written by the Plato, that is the Republic is the book. In this book, he has discussed what is the nature, function of the government, everything he has described in this book Republic. So you have to understand this. What do you mean by citizenship? So what is the government? What state do? What government work do? Everything we are going to learn in the book called Republic. Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker and the student of Plato, is recognized as the father of political science for his valuable contribution to its growth and development. Aristotle, who is Aristotle? He is a student of Plato. He is recognized as a father of political science. Who is called as a father of political science? Aristotle is called as a father of political science. Who is Aristotle? He is a student of Plato. Who is a Plato? The person who has written the book, the Republic. So he was a philosopher, means politician. So he was well studied about the political science. So he was the one who wrote the book called the Republic. So this Plato student is Aristotle, but he is recognized as the father of political science. Why? Because the valuable contribution to its growth and development. To its growth means to develop a political science, to develop the political science. And the political science anna ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ he has worked hard and his contribution is more. Plato is a teacher, but his student, so he has worked hard. His contribution is more in the field of political science. That is the reason he is considered as a father of political science. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಶಿಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಗುರುಗೆ ಆ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶಿಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಆ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಗುರುವಿನ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ he has worked hard, so he has contributed hard towards the political science. That is the reason he is considered as a father of political science. So he wrote the first treatise, treatise in political science called as the Politics. Understand, children? So he wrote means that is Aristotle. Treatise in the sense a written work dealing formally and systematically with the subject. He has written everything in the systematical way. It's considered as a treatise. We can consider in the political science called as the book called as the Politics. He has written one of the treatise which is called as the Politics. In this famous book, so you have to understand the Politics is one of the book. In this famous book, Aristotle discussed the origin, development and function of the state. What he has discussed in this book, children, in which book? The Politics books. He discussed about the origin. So what is the origin? Andre ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ origin ಏನು? So then development, how it can be developed, and the function of the particular state. Everything we can learn in this with the help of this book. He has mentioned in this book. Kautilya's work is very important, children. Kautilya's work on economics also has more information about the political principles. So before only I said that Indians are best in all the way. Indians ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದವರು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ವಿಷಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಮಸ್. The Kautilya's Arthashastra, especially you have learnt in the history part, the starting itself. So Kautilya's Arthashastra, which is written against the economics topic, but in that book also he has mentioned about a political science. So Greeks use the term politics for the study of a state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word called polis, which means city, state. You can understand, children, here one thing. The Greek used the term political science for the study of the state. So they have derived, they have taken the word from the polis, the Greek word called as a polis. It means a city or the state. What is the meaning of a political science here? So they have derived the word from the polis. It means the city as well as a state. And therefore, a subject which deals with the affairs of the city, state and the working called as a politics by the ancient Greeks. Means, according to the polis, it described as a city and the state. According to the political science, it stated as political science says that, so it deals with the political activity of particular states. ಆ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ದೇಶದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ, so this political science will explain. However, in the modern times, scholars have preferred to use the term political science for this study. Political science studies the origin, development, nature and administration type scope of the state and the right and duties of the citizens. Understand, children, right and duties of the citizens. Political science studies what are the things? Origin, development, nature, administration, type and the scope of the state, and also what is our rights and what is our duty. Citizen na rights enu, our citizen na duties enu, and as we are the citizens, how we have to interact with the government. What we actually have to observe is political science completely it says that ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪರ ಹೇಗಿರಬಹುದು, how we should raise the questions and what is our rights. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಜೆಗೂ ಅವನದೇ ಆದಂತ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ and ಅದೇ ಆದಂತ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So these are the things how we can explain everything. It is explained in the political science. Political science is the study of all facts of the state. So with the help of a political science we can learn about the states. Means you have to think that ಒಂದು ದೇಶದ complete ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆ, economic condition or how they are working, the government how it is working, everything we can learn with the help of a political science. Political science is also the study of past and the present and the future of a political institutions, political functions and political theories. The study of the state, government and the human political activities is called as a political science. This is a definition or the meaning of a political science. The first one already we have learned. What is the meaning of a political science? Political science is the social science which deals with the political activity of a man. It is a first statement of a political science or the first definitions of the political science. If anybody asks what are the definitions you can give for the political science, means you have to say that political science is also the study of a past, present and futures of the political institutions, political functions and the political theories. So with the help of political science, how we learn the history, we are going to learn about the past. But political science, you are going to learn about the past society and the present and the future. Hinde hegittu nama political situation. So the period of before the period, in 70 years before, how the country was and how the political system was there in a country. So at present, ಈಗ situation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, in a future how it will be, everything we can learn with the help of a political science. As also, so political functions, political theories, everything you can learn with the help of a political science. The study of the state, government and the human political activity is called as a political science. What is political science? The study of the state, the country or the state, the government and a human political activity. How the human, he is there in the political activity. This is all you ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. You will be observing how they are interacting, how the government is interacting, how the political person, ಒಬ್ಬ political ರಾಜಕೀಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹೇಗೆ interact ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. These are all the things you are learning, children. This is only what we consider as a political science. So in today's class you have learned, so in the part 1 video, this is a part 1 video, you have learned about what is the meaning of a political science, definitions of political science, and who are the one who started the political science. So what is the contribution of Indians? So how the word is derived. These are the topic you have learned in the political science. In the next video, I am going to explain you that what is the use of learning the political science. So wait for the next video. So I already informed you, if you are the new students, if you are watching our video, please subscribe to our channel. Dear students, share our videos, like, and other related mathematics or science, higher primary, lower primary, any classes video if you want. So everything is available in the Guru Vrunda Teachers Time. Always support us. Thank you.